Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through how to unfriend on Heyday. If you want to unfriend someone or your friend on Heyday, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Open your Heyday application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in as well. From the main homepage, tap on the friends icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in this friend list option from where you can easily visit your friend's neighborhood. Simply tap on the book right in front of your friends list and then tap on in-game friends option from the top. Now all of your in-game friends will be listed on this page. Tap on the remove button twice in order to unfriend someone on Heyday. As you can see that I've successfully removed the person from my in-games list or my friend list. That's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.